Hello student, today I am going to discuss about some MCQ question for pharmaceutical first D pharmacy first year. So these questions are for the practice of seasonal examination. So first question is ammonium chloride is used as a option is expectorant, B diuretic, C systemic acidifier, D all of above. So answer is D all of above. Question number 2. Silver nitrate is highly soluble in option A ether, option B alcohol, option C water, option D benzene. So the answer is C water. Question number 3. A chemical used in eye infection is option A sodium citrate, option B silver nitrate, option C sodium chloride, option D sodium nitrate. So answer is B silver nitrate. Question number 4. Chlorinated lime is also known as option A slaked lime, option B Dakin's solution, option C bleaching powder, option D quick lime. So the answer is C bleaching powder. Question number 5. Chlorinated lime and boric acid solution is also known as option A Lysol, option B Dettol, option C Usol, option C Cresol. So option C Usol. Question number 6. Chlorinated lime is prepared by the action of chlorine gas on option A slaked lime, option B quick lime, option C lime water, option D lime. So the answer is A slaked lime. Question number 7. Boric acid is freely soluble in option A water, option B alcohol, option C glycerin, option D all of above. So answer is C glycerin. Color of iodine is option A bluish color, option B blackish color, option C bluish black, option D brown color. So the answer is C bluish black. Question number 9. Indicator used in assay of iodine is option A phenolphthalein, option B ferric alum, option C methyl orange, option D starch mucilage. So the option is D starch mucilage. Question number 10. Silver nitrate is stored in option A dry white bottle, option B lead free white bottle, option C amber color bottle, option D neutral glass bottle. So the answer is C amber color bottle. Question number 11. Temperature range to define cold is option A 8 to 25 degrees Celsius, option B 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, option C 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, option D 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. So answer is C 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Question number 12. Atmospheric air contains nearly dash of nitrogen. Option A 78%, option B 21%, option C 90%, option D 4%. So the answer is A 78%. Question number 13. The dietary antioxidants are option A vitamin A, option B vitamin E, option C vitamin C, option D all of above. So the answer is D all of above. Which of the following is not an antioxidant? Option A sodium bisulfite, option B sodium chloride, option C sodium metabisulfite, option D sodium thiosulfate. So the answer is B sodium chloride. Question number 15. The color of phenolphthalein in base is option A yellow, option B violet, option C colorless, option D pink. So the answer is D pink color. Question number 16. Molecular formula for sodium metabisulfite. Option A Na2S2O5, option B Na2SO3, option C NaHCO3, option D Na2S2O3. So the answer is A Na2S2O5. Question number 17. Synonyms of hypophosphorus acid is option A citric acid, option B orthophosphorus acid, option C muriatic acid, option D prussic acid. So the answer is B orthophosphorus acid. Question number 18. Sulfuric acid is option A diprotic, option B triprotic, option C polyprotic, option D monoprotic. So the answer is A diprotic. Question number 19. Sodium bisulfite is having property Option A, white crystal having sulfurous odor. Option B, freely soluble in water. Option D, aqueous solution in acidic. Option D, all of above. So the answer is D, all of above. Question number 13. What is the molecular formula of sodium thiosulfate? Option A, Na2SO3. Option B, Na2C4H4O6. Option C, Na2S4O6. Option D, Na2S2O3. So the answer is D, Na2S2O3. Question number 21. In boric acid, ऐसे glycerin is added to the boric acid to dash. Option A, dissolve boric acid. Option B, increase acidity. Option C, increase basicity. Option D, both A and C. So the answer is option B, increase acidity. Question number 22. Sodium metabisulfite is used as option A, antioxidant. Option B, food preservative. Option C, stabilize injection. Option D, all of above. So the answer is D, all of above. Question number 23. The drug which used to stimulate the respiratory system or restore the normal respiration is called as option A, acidifying agent. Option B, antioxidant. Option C, respiratory stimulant. Option D, gastrointestinal agent. So the answer is C, respiratory stimulant. Question number 24. Molecular weight of ammonium carbonate is option A, 96.09 gram per mole. Option B, 90.01 gram per mole. Option C, 190.0 gram per mole. Option D, 98.57 gram per mole. So the answer is A, 96.09 gram per mole. Question number 25. Ammonium carbonate is manufactured by subliming a mixture of dash and dash. Option A, ammonium sulfate and calcium carbonate. Option B, ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. Option C, ammonium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. Option D, all of these. So the answer is A, ammonium sulfate and calcium carbonate. Question number 26. Properties of ammonium carbonate is option A, white powder. Option B, strong odor of ammonium. Option C, soluble in water. Option D, all of above. So the answer is D, all of above. Question number 27. Ammonium carbonate is used as a option A, leavening agent. Option A, leavening agent. Option B, smelling agent. Option C, emetic agent. Option D, all of above. So the answer is D, all of above. Question number 28. Unit of radioactivity is option A, Curie. Option B, becquerel. Option C, both. Option D, none. So the answer is C, both. Old name is Curie and the new one which we are using, becquerel. Question number 29. Molecular formula for nitrous oxide is option A, N2S. Option B, N2O. Option C, NO2. Option D, NO3. So the answer is B, N2O. Question number 30. Chlorinated lime is the alternative name for option A, calcium hypochlorite. Option B, sodium hypochlorite. Option C, chloramine T. Option D, azochloramide. So the answer is A, calcium hypochlorite. Question number 31. Solution of sodium hypochlorite of a 1% concentration are used for option A, sanitizing dairy equipment. Option B, personal hygiene and a household disinfectant. Option C, household bleaches. Option D, disinfecting open wound. So the answer is B, personal hygiene and a household disinfectant. Question number 32. Which of the following is the example of astringent? Option A, ammonium chloride. Option B, alum. Option C, zinc sulfate. Option D, all of above. So the answer is D, all of above. Question number 33. Which of these acid is used in the treatment of skin candidiasis is Option A acetic acid, option B propionic acid, option C benzoic acid, option D none of above. So the answer is C benzoic acid. Question number 34. Dash is the double salt containing potassium and aluminum sulfate. Option A alum, option B boric acid, option C potassium permanganate, option D none of above. So the answer is A alum. Question number 35. Chemical formula for alum is KAl bracket in SO4 whole twice dot 12H2O, B zinc ZnSO4, option C SeS2, option D KMnO4. So the answer is A KAlSO4 whole twice dot 12H2O. Question number 36. Which of the following is used in the metal poisoning? Option A calcium EDTA, option B penicillamine, option C dimercaprol, option D all of above. So the answer is D all of above. Question number 37. Which of the following is the physiological antidote? Option A activated charcoal, option B sodium thiosulfate, option D atropine, option D all of above. So the answer is C atropine. Question number 38. Which of antidote is used for cyanide poisoning? Option A copper sulfate, option B sodium nitrite, option C ferric oxide, option D all of above. So the answer is B sodium nitrite. Question number 39. An antidote of iron poisoning is dash. Option A activated charcoal, option B atropine, option C desferoxamine, option D none of above. So the answer is D none of above. Question number 40. Which antidote is used in copper poisoning? Option A penicillamine, option B dimercaprol, option C desferoxamine, option D both A and B. So the answer is D both A and B penicillamine and dimercaprol. So in the description box links are available for this PDF for the practice. So you can download and make your practice strong. Thank you for watching.